Hey, Megan here. If you're someone who wants a little bit of help in your home, then you've probably considered getting a robot vacuum. We have one, the DreamBot L10S, I think, version, and it does a pretty good job, but these things are super expensive now. I mean, they're getting into the thousands of dollars. What if you're not ready to spend that kind of money and you're not sure if this is gonna work out for you? I got you just the thing. I got a $5 robot vacuum on AliExpress. It says it's intelligent. We'll see how intelligent it is. We're gonna put it to the test down here in my office and see how it does. So let me show you what we're working with. By the way, I'm in the middle of updating some things around my office, so please forgive the clutter. All right, so in the office, you see it's LVP flooring and has a thin rug here, some thick rugs here. Let's see, probably I don't know. They're pretty squishy to prevent any water leakage. And then plastic drop sheet here. We've got a couple of obstacles around for it, but nothing too crazy. I put my tripod here to see how this works for the test. This area, this stuff. So on one hand, it's pretty straightforward. I blocked off the entrance to the room so that hopefully it won't go any further than it has to. And all that's really here in terms of things for it to pick up is, I don't know, paper, like sticker backing, styrofoam from furniture assembly, and dog hair and Megan hair too. So let's put this guy to the test and see how well he does. I'm not expecting miracles. Obviously, it's a $5 device, but if it's good enough, then it's good enough, right? So let's give it a go. All right, I'm gonna let this charge, see how long it takes. It doesn't really say how long it's going to take, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Now, it says here that I should be able to lift this off. Oh, I guess I lift the top off. Got it. All right, let's charge it. All right, it's been an hour. I don't see any sort of light on it, so I'm just gonna have to assume it worked, charged. Now, let's give it a go. So this has run for about 15 minutes and stopped. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound coming from it. I don't know what that's about, so let's shut it off and open it up and see. Oh yeah, it's probably just full. Oh, actually, it's a loud dog here. Oh, good, there we go. Oh. Maybe that was enough. Maybe it'll run again. Let's see. It goes. Okay, or maybe not. You see, didn't make it far, so let's this. Let's see if that helped. Nope. Seriously, I'm on for 15 minutes? I mean, look, I know it's $5, but come on. I think it's dead already. So be it. Well, you know, on one hand, let me shut it off because that's not great sound. On one hand, what can you expect from a $5 vacuum? But on the other hand, I was kind of hopeful that it would be able to just go up and down easily. I guess not. Oh well, at least I tried. Okay, so in the interest of fairness, I decided to give this 24 hours to charge and see if it can do a little better this time. So here's my, make sure that I remembered what time I charged it. All right, let's give it a go. Yeah, it still cannot get over this low pile carpet, which is sad. Is it going to eat its cord? Nope. Okay, good. It really does sound sad, doesn't it? And I don't know if you can hear it. So it went, oh, let's say 7 feet. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is definitely a death rattle sound. Well, I gave it another shot, but yeah, I think it's not even worth the $5. Sorry, guys.